गुड मॉर्निंग। लास्ट सेशन ની અંદર આપણે બિઝનેસ એન્ડ પ્રોફેશન એનો ટાઈપ 1 કમ્પ્લીટ કરેલો હતો. નાઉ ટાઈપ 2 ફાઇન્ડ ટેક્સેબલ બિઝનેસ પ્રોફિટ ઓન ધ બેઝિસ ઓફ કેશ અકાઉન્ટ. First example number 10, find out taxable income from business and profession from the following cash account of Dr. Sanjay ending on 31st March 2016. Debit side of cash account, opening balance of cash, operation income, consultation fee, sales of medicine, hospital income, visit fee, sale of instrument. This is capital sale, capital profit. So a profit and loss account માં ના આવે. Gift from present, business income, salary from medical institute, that is income from salary, that is not considerable, dividend is not considerable, and house rent also not considerable. Credit side of cash account, staff salary, business expenditure, insurance of hospital, business expenditure, purchase of medicine, business expenditure, purchase of instrument, that is capital assets, so P&L માં નહીં આવે. Professional tax, business related, ambulance expense, business expense, conference fee, business expense, motor car expense, business expense, household expense, personal expenditure, so not consider. Income tax is also not consider. Additional information, staff salary include 30,000 salary paid to wife. Wife does not provide any service, so this is not deductible. Second adjustment, 1/4 use of car is for personal purpose, so personal motor car is not allowable. Opening written down value of instrument was 25,000. Rate of depreciation is 20%, so depreciation આપણે consider કરવાનો થશે. સ્ટાર્ટ કરશું, સ્ટેટમેન્ટ પ્રિપેર કરશું. સ્ટેટમેન્ટ શોઈંગ taxable income, from business and profession of Mr. Sanjay. Assessment year 2016-17, previous year 2015-16. Particulars, A, taxable business income, so income cash account માં debit side હોય, operation income, business income, ₹4 lakhs, consulting income also 4 lakh, business income, sale of medicine 40,000, hospital income 3 lakhs, visit fee 50,000, sale of instrument don't consider, gift from patient, business income, $15,000, salary from medical institute not consider, dividend not consider, house property not consider. Total 4 lakhs plus 4 lakhs plus 40,000 plus 3 lakhs plus 50,000 plus 15,000, 12 lakh 5,000. Less B, admissible business expense, સ્ટાફ સેલેરી એના ઉપર એડજસ્ટમેન્ટ છે. ફર્સ્ટ એડજસ્ટમેન્ટ 30,000 paid to wife. So other than 30,000 is allowable. Staff salary paid to staff, total 7,50,000 minus 30,000, 7,20,000. Next B, insurance of hospital 30,000, hospital insurance. Next, purchase of magazine 25,000. Next, purchase of medicine 60,000. Next, purchase of instrument not consider, professional tax 3,000. Ambulance expense 1,37,000. Conference fee 20,000. મોટર કાર એક્સપેન્સ એના ઉપર એડજસ્ટમેન્ટ છે. મોટર કાર એક્સપેન્સ એડજસ્ટમેન્ટ નંબર 3. 2 1/4 ઇઝ ફોર પર્સનલ પર્પસ, તો 3/4 છે એ બિઝનેસ પર્પસ માટે થશે. ટોટલ મોટર કાર એક્સપેન્સ આપેલો છે 40,000, સો બિઝનેસ રિલેટેડ થશે 30,000. નેક્સ્ટ, હાઉસ હોલ્ડ એક્સપેન્સ નોટ કન્સિડર, ઇન્કમ ટેક્સ નોટ કન્સિડર. ટોટલ remaining depreciation on instrument, opening balance છે instrument ની 25,000, adjustment number 3. minus sold during the year, સેલ કરેલું છે કેશ એકાઉન્ટમાં 10,000, so 15,000. એના ઉપર રેટ ઓફ ડેપ્રિસિએશન છે 20%, 3,000 પ્લસ પરચેસ છે ક્રેડિટ સાઇડ, પરચેસ ઓફ ઇન્સ્ટ્રુમેન્ટ ઓન 1/4/2015, બિગિનિંગ ઓફ ધ યર પરચેસ કરેલું છે 1,80,000, તો એના ઉપર પણ ફૂલ ડેપ્રિસિએશન અલાઉ 1,80,000 ના 20%, 36,000, ટોટલ 39,000. depreciation on instrument 39,000. total 7,20,000 plus 30,000 plus 25,000 plus 60,000 plus 3,000, 1,37,000, 20,000, 30,000, 39,000, 10,64,000. B, A minus B, taxable business profit 10,64,000 minus 12,05,000, 1,41,000. This is your answer. Here our example is completed. In next session we will start our next example. Thank you.